Kaya sabi ni God, hindi maiging mag-isa ang tao. Kailangan niya ng makakasama at makakatulong. Because a partner in life is a gift from God.
You came into my life at exactly the right time. I was lost and broken. But the day I first saw you, you were standing beside me. Tinitingnan na kita. And it was my favorite moment.
For 5 years, ang dami natin napagdaanan sa couple. Masabi kong we made it. Pero simula ngayon, I know things will be more exciting. Basta ikaw kasama ko.
Kobe, I promise to continue to encourage you whenever you have doubts. I promise to do my best and make you laugh with my dance skills. I promise to provide the best quality of care you and our family needs.
I promise you na isasama kita sa lahat ng magiging desisyon ko, kahit gaano kalaki o kaliit. Kahit pagbili ko ng sapatos, ipapaalam ko muna sa'yo. Sasamahan kita manood ng concert and music videos ni Ayu. Kahit hirap akong intindihin kinakanta niya.
But you were the only one to see what's really pulling every string. Here's to starting over before it's over.
I promise to be your biggest supporter and your biggest fan sa basketball and sa pag-flex mo ng muscles mo after workout. I promise to make healthy meals once we have our own kitchen. I promise to be more patient and vocal with my problems. I promise to be honest with you.
Celine, paglalaban kita. Ipaglalaban ko marriage natin sa mga harapin nating pagsubok as mag-asawa. Harapin natin pareho. Wala nang iwanan to. Through thick or thin, andito ako para sa'yo. Calvin, thank you.
Here's to starting over. Here's to starting over again.
I promise to love you, hindi lang sa great moments mo, but sa mga hard times mo. I will love you unconditionally. I promise to be honest with you. I vow to be a faithful husband to you.
I'm excited to our new chapter in life. I can't wait to face this new world. I know we can do great things now that nag-wait na lang tayo kay baby. Let's make these precious last moments of just the two of us amazing.
I promise to protect you, our baby, and our future family. Vivi, Celine, I loved you then as a girlfriend, and I will love you now as your husband, Mrs. Karanongan. I'm excited na makasama ka habang buhay. You're my celebrity, I love you.
Kobe, I'm truly blessed kasi sa'yo ako kinasal. Matagal-tagal din natin nagtay itong moment dito. Mamahalin kita habang buhay. Hindi ako mapapagod mahalin ka. Kobe Jr. David Karanongan. I love you.
Simula 4th year high school, hindi pa kami ganun ka-close noon, magkaklase kami. Tapos nung college, every Saturday, straight, nagiinom kami. Nayak ako gumiyak, pre. Parang naman tanga to eh. Ito yung unang tropa rin na nakilala ni Celine. So, ayun. I think na mas marami siyang alam sa lahat ng mga tropa ko sa kanila. Sa relationship namin ni Celine. Hi, Bibi. Big days here. Tagal natin to inaantay and finally we're here. See you at the altar, Pogi. Nox. I love you so much. Can't wait to be a Franz Caranongan. Love, Celine. Oh.
Magdahan-dahan ka, magdahan-dahan. Ang ganda mo, baby.
Naiyak ako. Ano, umiyak ka? Naiyak ko lang.
Wala, umiyak na talaga. Ano ko na?
Naiyak na naman ako.
Kobe, wedding day mo ngayon, pinili mo yung araw na to. You're a family man na. Grown up ka na. Naku, naiyak ako. Natutuwa ako dahil meron ka ng +1 kagad. I love you, Kobe. I love you so much.
I love you, ma.
Kobe, sana may asawa ka na ngayon, may family. Mag-iba na sana ang ano mo sa buhay. Direksyon at saka pagmamahal mo sa mga pamilya mo ngayon, harapin mo.
Thank you pa. Thank you pa. Love you pa. Ayun, ngayon may bubuo na ako ng sariling family ko. Ayun, salamat sa mga sacrifices nyo sa akin. So, wala pag-aaral ko hanggang ngayon. So, yes, I love you. I love you.
Hi, baby. Ito na pinakahintay natin ng ilang buwan. Are you ready? I know excited ka din tulad ng nararamdaman ko, and I'm excited to call you as my wife and asawa ko. See you soon. Let's start this new chapter, baby. We will be the greatest team ever. I love you. P.S. Pakiingatan ng sarili today. Enjoy the moment. Kobe Pogi. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Gayahin mo ako, anak. Mahal ko kayo lahat.
Ha? Opo.
Hindi ka iiyak kasi masisira yung makeup mo.
I love you.
Love you, Cindy. Wait.
Eto na ako. Kakasal na ako. Thank you kasi kahit nawala si Papa, ikaw din ito ba yung Papa namin. Simula na nawala si Papa. And never mo kami pinabayaan. Kahit sobrang miss can help you.
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, Ma.
Love you, babe.
Love you.
Mga minamahal, malugod ko pong pinapakilala sa inyo si Ginoo at Ginang Kobe Caranongan. Kobe, you may now kiss your wife.